Is the BenQ GS50. Now, this projector is built with a specific purpose in mind: adventure. It's for anyone who wants to take their night watching truly anywhere. Here's what I mean. It's designed to be rugged. This clean, stunning-looking projector is IPX2 splash-proof, so you don't have to panic if there's a little spill or some light drizzle. It's also drop-resistant from just over 2 feet. That kind of durability gives you peace of mind when you're using it outdoors or with kids around. But the thing is, its toughness doesn't come at the cost of performance. The audio, for instance, is a standout feature. It has a 2.1-channel speaker system, which includes 2 5-watt tweeters and a separate 10-watt woofer. In simple words, you get actual bass. The sound is rich and full, making external speakers feel like less of a necessity. And the picture quality is just as solid too. It delivers 500 ANSI lumens with a full HD 1080p resolution and HDR10 support for better contrast. And like our other top contenders, it runs on Android TV, giving you built-in access to different streaming services. Plus, it has both Chromecast and AirPlay for easy casting. Setting it up is a breeze thanks to autofocus and advanced keystone correction. And with its stylish leather handle and 2.5-hour battery, it's always ready to grab and go. This is an exceptional all-rounder for those who need performance that won't quit, inside or out.